Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Chrysler 200, Fiat 500 or Dodge Ram ProMaster guys with a 2.4 multi-air engine, and you're trying guys to locate and replace your purge valve, also known as purge canister valve. Stay with us, we will show you guys where it's located, how to get to it and what needs to be done to replace it. As you can see guys, we have the engine out of this car, but you do not have to remove guys your engine to replace your purge valve. The only reason guys we have that engine out is because we'll have more than 100 videos guys on that car. On that engine alone, on the car we'll have more than 200, and we want to show you with a great detail how to do anything pretty much on it, where every bolt is located and all that stuff, so you know guys what to do when you try to repair yours. Now we put all that work guys so we can save you as much money as we can, so please subscribe to the channel guys and like the video. Let's go ahead, start on it, and we'll show you guys where that PCV valve is located now. When you open the hood of your car guys, you're going to face the engine, okay, this way, just like that. So you need to go ahead and grab that cover, engine cover, pull it straight up. So let's do that. It has 4 rubber bushings, okay, you can see 4 rubber bushings and they're attached to the valve cover. Okay, once we do that now guys, okay, you're going to have the intake box here with the air filter. You need to get that hose clamp loose and you need to pull that hose out of the way. That's the only thing missing here. Then we need to get a 10mm socket. We need to remove that bolt. After that now guys, okay, we have one clip right here. We need to get a clip removal too. And that clip is actually broken. Ours is broken, you'll be like here. It looks like this one. You just go underneath and pull it straight out. We need to also disconnect guys, okay, this intake temperature sensor. And on the back side right here you have one clamp for the throttle body. Okay, go ahead and remove, get it loose guys, don't remove it, just get it loose, and you can grab that intake hose and pull it straight out. Now you can see how much room you have to work on your engine. Now we have 2 options here guys. You can disconnect your fuel line, but it's very dangerous. We have a video that explains how to do it. Or right here, that foam piece, it says separate for service. So practically guys, okay, you can separate it that way and we can pull it out, okay, without disconnecting fuel line or anything like that. Okay, perfect. You can see on the bottom right here it says separate for service. Now guys, right here when we get to that point, okay, this right here is your purge valve. You can see this is your purge valve. But now we need to okay, let me show you. We need to get that clamp loose because it's holding the purge valve line and the fuel line together. Now you have 2 green things, one here, one on the other side. You need to squish both of them in at the same time and just pull it out. Okay, I'll grab and pull it out. Now this is guys, okay, purge valve right here. You can see that that's the safety lock. Slide it back, push on the back side, disconnect the wire. You have the holes there that attaches to the intake manifold. Just grab it, remove it and pull it out. If you need to buy a new purge valve guys, we have the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. In addition guys, we have a video that explains how to test those. So please guys, check it out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget guys to hit that subscribe button.
Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.